Well, I'm happy to announce that we have the Tie 4 titanium heads back in stock, and real excited about that, as well as a few of you are also. So I wanted to go over the proper installation of this head. I wanted to point out that the bolt doesn't go in from the rear. It comes in from the front. So what you do is it has a slot right here, and you drop the head down in that slot. You hold it down with your thumb and you pop it up a little bit, and then you just simply place it in the slot right here, and then you just lock it in like that. It looks something like that. And then you just turn it over, and with a soft blow hammer, you just hit it down until it sticks out a little bit, and then you put the nut on it, tighten it down, and that's the proper installation. Also, we do have an upgrade of a titanium bolt available as an auxiliary, and it's pretty cool, it's pretty light, but I just wanted to pass that on to everybody. I hope that helps. Take care.